Good evening, YouTube. Have quite a cool little test in store for you here. This is my 2001 Honda Insight, which we have repainted, stripped down to bare aluminum, and repainted this hood. Half white, half black. And I will show you the photos of that right after this portion of the video. The reason for this is we have 7 different types. There's 6 right there. The Ceramic Pro Kavaka is one that I have inside and need to bring it out here into the shop. Going to be comparing different Clearbra paint protection films. Lumar, which is the same as SunTech, Premium Shield Elite, 3M, Scotchgard V4, Flexi Shield WSH, Expel Ultimate Plus, and STEC or S-Tech, depending on who you ask, Dino Shield. So we're going to put these across the white and the black, as well as wrap the edge to see for the adhesive. But the purpose of it being on the white is so you can see how the film's yellow. And I know that's a concern that a lot of people have. And the black as far as showing the self-healing abilities. So we'll be doing different videos subjecting these films to different things, more than the usual just throwing mud at it or what have you. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and install these, and we'll prep the hood and go from there. Of this is we're going to put seven different paint protection films on this hood. So I want you to pay attention, because what we're going to be after is how quickly they yellow and how they self-heal and prevent scratches and rock chips. This vehicle is driven 50 to 80,000 miles a year. So we're going to see how it holds up to the Texas elements. This car is going to be outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Rain, hail, everything. So my wife, Shannon, is going to be the installer of this. And she has about 1.5 years of experience installing PPF. Again, we're not after absolute perfection here. We're after the durability. So the prep consists of clay bar and a diluted 70% IPA wipe. No further polishing has been done past that point, and there are a couple flaws and imperfections in the paint. It wasn't for a beauty contest. So we're going to see how things install and see how things wrap around the edges. The solution we will be using is one ounce of Johnson's Baby Shampoo per gallon of water. That's 3.78 liters for everyone else outside the US. And the tack solution will be IPA diluted with distilled water. So let's get to installing. So right now, just for the purposes of testing, we're doing some lifting to see what kind of lift lines these films are going to show, and see if anything repairs itself after the film cures or otherwise. So we'll report back here. So I'm going to go across and you can just watch the clarity of the different films. You can see that Lumar and Suntech are definitely the foggiest looking. Look at orange peel and the like. And over on the black, if you wanted to know what was going on over here, this is just part of what came in the Steck sample pack. And so there's a matte carbon, matte black, gloss black, Dyno Prism, which is a clear carbon look. Or I'm sorry, Dyno, I forget the name of it offhand. This is Dyno Prism. It's a clear kind of pearl film, self-healing. So just wanted to see how those 5 hold up, but I'm not really including those in part of the official test. This is the starting mileage for this 2001 Honda Insight. 358,000 miles. 358, 258. And in kilometers, that would be 576,000 kilometers. So we're going to get this test started and get to putting some miles on it. Good evening, YouTube. Going to talk more here about the PPF test. And while it's quiet in the shop, I wanted to go ahead and talk about what I'm going to do. So the film has been on a month on this car, so it's had time to adequately cure. And now we're going to go through the process of washing it and seeing how hydrophobic everything is, and looking at some other variables like depth, clarity, color, etc. So let's get to it. Okay, now as I said in previous videos here that I have here, that the test starts on the 1st of April 2020. It actually started the 1st of March 2020, so I need to update that graphic. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you that in the past month, you know, with the whole coronavirus thing, haven't been putting the mileage on this car like I usually do. I've put about 1,000 miles on it, so it's stayed outside 24 hours a day. And so you can see it's dirty right now, and gonna go ahead and, if my tripod will cooperate. So Flexi Shield, Lumar, and Suntech, same film. Expel Ultimate, Premium Shield, Dyno Shield, 3M, and Ceramic Pro. As I said earlier, these 4 squares up here, there's 5 actually, that is different variations of Steck or S-Tech. They're different products. I wanted to see how those hold up. So those aren't, I'm not really holding those in the same regard as everything else here. So you can see that there's some sap, some looks like either bug guts and bird droppings. And you can also see, where the film stops, that it is all slightly discolored compared to the white above it. And I don't see one that stands out worse than the others. I do notice on the black that Lumar Suntech is slightly darker. Expel is, again, we knew the most orange peely. And it looks like Dino Shield's one of the darker looking ones too. And here's 3M. And Ceramic Pro, that's an overspray line. So as far as Ceramic Pro feels kind of sticky. Remember, these are all dirty. Premium Shield kind of feels similar. So let's get to washing it. So I'm going to play this part fast forward just in the interest of saving time. But the products that I'm using, look in the description below for any of those. It's Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam and an Australian sheep's wool mitt. There's a pressure washer I'm using called Power Stroke, and we're using deionized water from CR Spotless. So link in the description to those, and here we go. Okay, first thing we're going to go over is hydrophobics. So I'm going to just lightly mist it with the pressure washer, and you can kind of see on the black area how things are looking here. So two things that I notice immediately. Dino Shield is most likely, not most likely, it is the most hydrophobic, and probably followed by Premium Shield and then Ceramic Pro. Let's do that one. Well, yeah, let's do that again. And we'll do it at a different angle as well. Yeah, I would say Premium or Steck Dino Shield is probably the winner of the hydrophobics. And as I said, maybe second place Premium Shield, third place Ceramic Pro. The rest of them I don't believe are advertised as hydrophobic. So, well, take that back. If you look at Flexi Shield here, it's got a little bit too. Okay, so Dino Shield 1, Flexi Shield 2, Premium Shield 3, Ceramic Pro 4, as far as hydrophobic. 3M, not hydrophobic, you can see it, and Expel Ultimate, not hydrophobic. Lumar Suntech, not at all. So, as far as hydrophobics, there you have it. So now let's get to the next one. Next test, I'm sure you've all seen it in marketing videos. We have a metal brush. All 7 of these films are advertised as self-healing. So we're going to take this and we're going to scratch it up and see how it does. The one difference is Ceramic Pro Kavaka is advertised as instantly self-healing with no heat required. So I'm going to do that one last. We're going to come over here. So, Flexi Shield, we'll scratch it all up. I'll do them all in the same spot here. Lumar Suntech, Ultimate, make sure, yeah. Premium Shield. Premium Shield, I can't even see the scratches. So Flexi Shield, Lumar, and Expel, I can still see the scratches. Premium Shield, can't see anything. So I would call that instantly self-healing. Dyno Shield, it's showing scratches. 3M, it shows scratches. So we'll see how good you can see these scratches. I don't know if they're going to show up under camera, but I can definitely scratch it up some more. Let me get the scratches, scratches, scratches. Premium Shield, no scratches. Dyno Shield, the scratches I put in it earlier are gone. They're there, but they disappear, and it's not that warm out right now. Scotch Guard, they are there, and Ceramic Pro, they are not there. So I'm gonna go and, well, you know what? I tell you what, I'm not gonna. Normally you'd use a heat gun or put it out in the sun to let it heal, but I'm not going to do that. We're just going to leave them there and see if they disappear on their own. So just really quick, going to talk about how we rank the clarity, and this is all subjective, but the clearest film, in our opinion, is Flexi Shield WSH. Second is Premium Shield. Third is Steck Dyno Shield. Fourth is Ceramic Pro. Fifth is 3M. Sixth is Expel Ultimate, and Lumar Suntex 7th, and really not pleased with the clarity on that. I mean, it's not as clear as you would want it to be. And when you look and see, that includes the first torture test, which is just simply using a wire brush that you see in the marketing materials, washing it and showing you how it looks after the first month. So really have nothing to report as far as the film defects or, you know, yellowing, as I wouldn't expect that after just 1 month, after 30 days. So everything's performing as advertised thus far. So if you could, please like this video, comment below, and hit subscribe if you could. It'd help me out. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll do another video here shortly.